Yes. Y'all know the intro. It's I am the one, Diamond Davy Boy, coming to you live today with a video for a young lady up in Ohio. Her and her husband, they're trying to decide on one of the female puppies that we have left. So this is going to be a brief video, more of an informative video, not just for the lady up in Ohio. I didn't catch your name, that's why I'm just calling you lady. And hopefully that doesn't offend you. I know some women nowadays don't like to be called a woman or lady or girl, so we just going, so no offense, if any. So we're just going to film each individual puppy with the name, so you can just give me the name, and then if you're going to come down Friday or whatever, you know what I'm saying, you'll know who you'll be coming for. So first up, we have Diamond. All right, let me see if I can get a little bit more light here. Okay. All right, this is little Diamond here. She is beautiful little girl. Got a little white on her toes. Quite a bit of white. Can you lift her head up? A little white on the underlines and on the bottom of the mouth there. Yeah, give mommy a kiss and wipe some of that milk off on her. She's back here eating on some of that milk supplement we have. And she has a beautiful coat on her, as you can see, nice and shiny. And she hadn't had a bath in about a day, and her coat is still shining as such. And again, this is Diamond. Little Diamond. Oh, she's got something. She got milk on her nose, so
I'll wipe it off.
It's all good. All right, so this is baby girl Diamond.
You want your mama? You want your mama? Give the mama.
No, what she wants is a cushion to lay on.
Give the mama, Diamond.
All right, so next.
Well, I'm washing their $300 bed, so.
Ooh, should have been washed.
Yeah. What's wrong with your hands?
Hey, my hands.
Do not idle hands.
Yeah, I do something with my hands. This right here.
Excuse me?
And I ain't doing the dab dance or whatever that dance used to be back. You know what I mean? Make sure you keep an eye on her. If she do something, then I'm gonna have you clean it up.
Have me clean? Yeah, you got that right.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm taking my
Puppy number 2 will be here as soon as Motor Mouth gets in gear. Okay. And next up we have, oh my Lord, now she's got white stuff on her mouth too.
Hey, Jade. Hey, Jade.
Okay, this is Jade.
Thank you.
Jade. Y'all excuse the cream on their mouth. They've been back here, like I said, in the puppy stuff. But okay,
The markings.
She has a little bit of white on the chest, white on the front paws, and just one little white spot on her hind paws. Now, as well, she has a nice shiny coat and in need of a little bit of bath.
Get her eyes.
Yay,
Beautiful hazel eyes.
Matching her coat.
Good girl.
Can you pull her tail up, Pumpkin?
Come on.
There you got that.
You better not do nothing in here.
Yeah, you're right about
Mama's
that.
floor now.
You can see the cut in the
Oh,
legs.
it's okay.
You know what I'm
Why
saying?
are you nervous? She's not used to being in here.
She's cold. Yeah.
Come to Mama, Jade.
And as Bully Smoke had already stated, these puppies are spoiled, so I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? They love it in the house. They go outside, they feel like they're going on punishment, so, you know. And then, of course, you have Lady T doing this with the puppies, making them all soft. And we trying to raise, you know what I'm saying, some dogs that's going to protect the house, not run up to a robber and start licking on them and stuff.
You give Mama the kiss. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
But if y'all watched the latest video from Bully More Smoke, you know what I'm saying, little Spike up there and Be More represent. You know what I'm saying? Spike up there doing his thing, Jack. Chewing on cigarette butts. running up to big dogs and everything. Spike, I see you, boy. I've been watching you, baby. You know what I'm saying? I've been keeping an eye on you. Peace out to Bully More Smoke. Peace out to Bree up in Cincinnati. And yeah, so again, Miss Ma'am and anyone else, that was Jade. Jade. Was the second puppy. First one Diamond, second one Jade. And I don't know what the name of this other one is. Like I said, I didn't name them, so the names didn't really stick to me. And plus, like brothers, they all look alike, so. Goodness gracious, she been in it too. God dang, they got milk. Why do they got all that? I wonder if it's from that milk bone thing they had, or either that Formula One. Move, Isis. Move. Now this one is
Sapphire.
Sapphire. All right.
Hey, pretty girl.
She's the big girl. She's got a lot of white on her chest, a little white on the front paws, and there's a splash of white on the back paws there. And with her big back here, of course, she has the nice, pretty, shiny coat as well.
Oh.
She's another spoiled
Stand
one.
up, girl. Stand
And
up.
she's
Come
a
here.
heavy one. Where you going?
Come to mama, Sapphire.
Because you, Isis. Leave her alone. We're trying to
Come to mama.
find her a new home.
You come to mama. No peeing on mama's floor. No.
Did she just take a leg?
Yes, no peeing on mama's floor.
Oh, I have to beat somebody's hand on camera.
Spank. Mama gonna spank her.
Spank my ass. We might be having some hot dog tonight. I done told you I don't play that. These floors is expensive to repair. Anywho, so Miss Lady, that was the 3 females that we have left. So again, for you and anyone else, Cash App is preferred, but Cash App or PayPal or Zelle, I guess, Lady T, the Zelle, but I don't want y'all to.
Excuse me, I'm taking my cut.
I said Lady T does Zelle. What you mean excuse?
Fitty. Excuse me? What you say?
I didn't say. Yeah, go ahead and hit me on camera for the police. Yeah, I already got somebody call 911.
I'm cleaning the floor.
I'm not the floor. Just because I'm brown don't mean I
I'm
match
just
the
over
wood on the
here.
floor. The puppy was over there. Like this
There's
dude
a
that I work
spot
with, he
right
don't say over
here.
there, he say over there.
There's a
Puppy's
spot
over there.
right here.
Huh?
I'm bringing this to you so
I
you
don't
can
wanna.
mop right here.
No, you're gonna try to get my fingerprints on it, and you gonna call the police. So you think you
Why?
slick?
Why do I have to do it all? He's a chauvinist.
Go get your phone. You got a bite? Man, get that out of my dang mouth and face if I put something in yours. I ain't watching.
You're nasty.
What? I didn't say what I was gonna put. You always got your mind in the. This is a kid-friendly channel.
I am a Bible believing.
Oh, that's why. Come on, stop. The camera is rolling, y'all. I'm trying to get an informative video here. Let me go out on the front porch. Well, no, it's too hot out there.
Yes, go.
Plus,
out
it's
on the
raining.
porch. Go, just go.
Look at that, boy. It's coming down out there. Shoo. So I was going to cut the grass because it's my only day off. Been working 14 days due to being short-staffed, so you only get 1 day off. And I finally got to drop my car off to try to get some repairs done to it. What little bit the insurance company has paid, at least do something so I can try to drive on a car that don't look banged up, you know what I'm saying? Then I had to get some front end work done on Lady's T car also. So it's just been a busy Monday. I was hoping to go to the range with my cousin E, who purchased Samson from us on this litter. But you do know it's a puppy in that room, right?
Sapphire, come. Sapphire.
Sapphire, we don't do that. We do not do that.
Come to mama.
Yeah, get your hand in on it in the back.
And as you see, they obey me. Unlike the
That's true. They do. They. Yeah, the puppies do obey. Look, police. Look, police. What move?
I'm just trying to get this close up.
A close up of what? We done already filmed her. Okay, thank you. You know what I'm saying? People know, you know what I'm saying? Trying to steal my, you know what I'm saying? My time to shine. Anyway, so yeah, my only day off. And I had a lot to do this morning, starting off early this morning too. Had to get up early to get the cars dropped off, to get looked at and serviced or whatever. So this has been a long day. I'm getting ready to go hit the shower. Plus I went to the gym earlier and you know what I'm saying? But anyway, the number is 304-590-1456. Again, that's 304-590-1456. Text only unless you are actually ready to purchase. If you just want inquiries, please email at tailormadekennels304@gmail.com. Again, it's tailormadekennels304@gmail. So Diamond D signing off with another video. Hopefully it was informative enough for the young lady to make the decision on you know, one of these bundles of joy, and you know, we'll go from there. So I hope everyone has a great day. Be safe, be careful, take care of one another, and we'll holler. What y'all doing in there?
Cinderella is doing the laundry.
She better be doing the laundry, or else
Yeah.
she gonna be walking
Did
around
you like your
swole up.
dinner?
No, actually I didn't. It was a bone in the meat, so I didn't get
It's
choked.
not all that was in it.
Y'all heard that. Everybody heard that.
Yep.
They heard that. It's on camera.
That's right.
So, puppies, y'all got somewhere to lay now? Mommy taking all day with the laundry and getting y'all's bed cleaned up and stuff?
Mommy works.
So does Daddy. Yeah.
Daddy
You
don't
work
take
all
care of
right.
Mama.
Your jaws.
Mama take care of Mama.
Well, then you, all right.
And Mama, everybody else.
Y'all heard that, didn't you? I know what that meant.
What that meant.
Anyway, look, people, take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. But anyhow, Diamond Dave signing off, 304-590-1456, or Tailor-Made Kennels 304-304@gmail.com. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up on my little TV. My man Spiky Spike. I'm gonna have to check this video out. Bully, Smoke. Y'all doing y'all's thing up there, and everybody don't forget to check out my man Bully More Bullies on YouTube. He's got a little Spike from the litter, and you know what I'm saying, we're gonna do some networking with him. My man Bree out in Cincy, you know what I'm saying, and anybody else just trying to, you know what I'm saying, get a little kennel started. You know what I'm saying, we just do some networking, share some stories, share input, you know what I mean, and go from there. And with that being said, Diamond Dave, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here so I can go hit the shower. And because I was trying to see if I could cut the grass today, but weather permitting, I can't. So I'll just have to try to get it when I get off tomorrow. So Diamond D signing out. Peace.